All right, students, we are back. We learned a few vocabulary in the last couple of videos, right? And before we read the news article, we would also go through one or two exercises. Yeah, let's call this as pre-news reading exercises, okay? So vocabulary is number one, we are done with that. And what are the other exercises that I want you to do? I'll just give you an example. Yeah, so here we go. This is one exercise. And again, it's all about analyzing the news article, okay? So we try to have different approaches, yeah. So what is this? Yeah. Recognizing patterns or transition words, yeah. So if you still don't know what is transition or what are transition words, just try to, look up. Yeah, again, we have Google, you have your smartphones, you can check immediately, okay? Transition words are important. Just like vocabulary, we learn words, yes, it's important. And transition words is important in writing and in reading. So transitions or the connecting words, okay? Connecting one sentence to the other sentence, connecting paragraphs, yeah. Just like some signposts, yeah. Like you want to go to a place, you have to go, like you have some directions, right? Take left or take right or go straight, yeah. So it's kind of like signposts, yeah. Anyway, the key word is this one, connecting words. Okay? Those are the transition words. Trans is just like move, right? From one place to another place, like transport, transportation, transition, yeah, transformer. Yeah. All right, anyway, so try to understand, try to know what are transition words and how these transition words are, given or written in a news article or in any news or any reading passages or reading articles, okay? Let me just briefly go through it, yeah? And we will also do one or two exercises based on the transition words, okay, or connecting words. All right, the first one is the news article. Any news article, any reading passages, you will see transition words because, as I mentioned before, these transition words, they connect sentences, okay? So you can look for transition words. Where are these transition words and what kind of transition words the writers they use in writing sentences, okay? So a news article is number one, and number two, set patterns in the text. So we have this kind of patterns, right? Try to understand these patterns so that you can also know the ideas behind the sentences, yeah. Like transitions would give you ideas, like for example, whether they compare, contrast, or they add a point to the point that they have previously said, or they're going to say something opposite to the point that they have mentioned before. So based on these transitions, you can understand the ideas behind the sentences or the concepts, yeah. So try to look for, just take one news article and look for these transition words. So that's what we are going to do now, okay? And linking words are discourse markers. These are different words that we use. You can put all these together, under one category, like transition words, linking words, connecting words, discourse markers. There are subtle differences, but I think it's fine. Right now, you just understand that there are connecting or linking words, okay? All right, and I have mentioned this one, yeah, linking words, making connections, yeah, and what is said before and what is going to be said in the next sentence or the following sentences, okay? That's why it's called connecting words or transition words. So in our article or in the news article, we try to find connecting words, okay? So right now you take the news article, okay? Lesson 4, yes, secret wealth, right? And I want you to just quickly have a look, yeah, quickly have a look where can you find some connecting words? You can underline it or highlight it. You don't have to do much. Just look at those transition words. What do you think are the transition words? Just like because, but, however, instead, to sum up. Yeah. So when you see to sum up, it means that's towards the end, right? That's the last part. So that's why they say to sum up. Yeah. And so find how many transition words are there. Maybe each paragraph might have one. Yeah. Just look for it. Yeah. Can you find? I'll give you a minute or so. Again, you can pause the video, get back to your news article, try to see where are these connecting words, where are these linking words in the news article. Yeah. And then we will do 1 or 2 exercises based on the linking words. Okay? All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Remember, transition words or linking words or connecting words. Okay? All right. See you then. Yeah.